In this video, we'll show you how to deposit your cryptocurrencies into the Anycoin exchange. After logging in, click on the Deposit section, which you can find at the top center of the main page. You will be redirected to the Deposit page, where you can scroll down until you see the section Funding Cryptocurrencies. Next, click on Generate New Deposit Address. If you want to deposit Bitcoin to Anycoin, simply leave BTC selected in the currency options and choose the network you want to use for your transaction. In our case, we'll leave the Bitcoin network selected and click the blue Generate Address button. After a moment, your Bitcoin deposit address will appear. This address is used for deposits into your Anycoin account. You can either scan the QR code or use the copy button to copy the address exactly. Please note that your Bitcoin deposit address has permanent validity. You can save it and use it repeatedly for all future deposits. Now, let's see how to generate a deposit address for another cryptocurrency, for example, Ethereum. Once again, click the blue Generate New Deposit Address button, select Ethereum from the list of currencies, and then choose the network for your transaction. After clicking Generate Address, a new address will appear together with a QR code. Please note that unlike Bitcoin, this address has limited validity, which means the cryptocurrency must be sent before the address expires. Otherwise, the funds may be lost. All addresses you generate, except for Bitcoin, will always show their expiration time. You can send your crypto to these addresses within that period. And that's it. Now you know how to successfully deposit your cryptocurrencies into your Anycoin account. Thank you for choosing Anycoin as your crypto exchange.